How to fix protected content cannot be viewed on this device and Miracast not working on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. First of all, you need to check for the network and connection on your device. For that, open Control Panel. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. Once it is open, select on Change Adapter Settings. After that, choose on the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet connection, right-click on it and then enable it. If not, you can also try to disable and enable it again. Once that is done, let's move on to the second step. Make sure to check if the Connect app is available on your device. For that, you can just type in on the search bar for Connect app and check if it is available or not. Now let's move on to the third solution. It is to check if Miracast is supported or not. For doing so, press on Windows plus R button to open the Run tab and then type in DXDIAG and then hit the Enter button. Once that is done, it will open DirectX Diagnostic Tools. Tap on Save All Information, which will save a TXT file on your device. Once it has been saved and downloaded, just open it from the File Explorer. Once you do so, you will see a list of options. Press Ctrl plus F to open the search bar and then type in Miracast. Once you do so, you will be able to know if Miracast is supported or not. As you can see in my device, the Miracast is not supported by graphics driver. However, it is available with SDCP. Once you have confirmed if it is adaptable and compatible with your driver or not, you can now move on with the next step. For that, you have to go to Settings. Once the setting is open, tap on System, scroll down a bit and then tap on Projecting to this PC. Once that is done, then tap on Optional Features and then on View Features. Here you have to type in for a particular feature which is called as Wireless Display. Once you see for the Wireless Display feature, make sure to install it. For that, you just have to tap Open or select it and then tap on Next and then on Install. After this has been installed, your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.